Morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot Pre-Market Analysis. Let's deep dive straight into key market insights. We'll start with S&P 500. We have a lot to cover. We have interest rate cutting down tomorrow. 0.25 BPS is confirmed almost. So 0.25 rate cut will be, which is most likely will be good for the market. 0.25. Any higher cut will crash the market. So 0.25 is good for the market. What we are looking at, we are looking at a 1.45 pre-market. Market is up, market is green, market will continue the momentum all the way possible to 668.85. This was alerted by about 2 weeks back that's where the market will sell off. What we are looking at, if the market shoot up, okay, we are in a price discovery area. Nobody knows how the market will react, so it's a black swan event. How we'll be playing the market, that's important. So if the market gap up on the news, okay, let's say the market straight away $5-6 1-2% jump on S&P 500, right away will be shorting the OTM call. If the market tank like 2% 3% right on the news, right away will be shorting the put, and that's how we'll be playing. We are not holding any position on S&P 500, and it's not worth trading. Continue, wait for the interest rate cut tomorrow, and based on the market reaction we decide. If the market tank, you short the put. If market goes up, you short the call, because if the market goes up, you short the call, and the following day the market will retrace, okay, and all the short call will make money. NVDA is yes, I will do that. Okay, moving forward to AI, this is what we were looking at. Our buying was around the 14 area, right in this area. We had a nice recovery. This is the price target we are looking at, 22 area. Will we continue holding our trade? We have the short put, we have the share, and we'll continue holding all our position on AI until the price goes back to 22 area. All our position are turning into profit now. Moving forward to BMNR, we are out of the trade. We can start another trade right in this area. Okay, we have a little bit more upside left, which I was expecting to $59. So the best way to play is a bull put credit spread on this area. Do not buy the share. So bull put credit spread, make sure you're shorting ATM and also buying OTM, okay, long OTM. So bull put credit spread is a better trading strategy for BMNR at this stage. Moving forward to bull, what we are looking at, bull is a buy and hold stock. We want to buy the share and hold. We also want to short the put. We also want to buy the leap call. Every single kind of transaction we want to do in this area. Okay, 1298 was roughly our buying last time, still trading at 13 or 15. We are looking at 1832 area, 1845 area, and that's where all trade will be closed right at this wick. This wick we are particularly interested in. Spread candle, high volume. After this, buying climax right in this area. Okay, also known as shooting star candle. This also you call it spread or shooting star. Okay, this is the candle we are interested in right at this area. There will be another wick precisely in this area after 1730, and that candle will be out of all the trade right in this area. CLSK, we can again enter the leap call right in this area. Okay, we are just retesting after this sell-off. We took the leap call right in this area. We exit the leap call right here at 13 area. Since then, we have been waiting for the retracement, and we have a TMA bullish cross now. Confirmation of the bull trend again. What we can do, we can have a leap call again, and the 50 EMA, the price start straight goes into the equal high right in this area. If we are entering a leap call, we are looking at the equal high, this particular candle right here. The closing of this candle will be our target right at this area, which is 1296. So about $2.50 for the leap call. Moving forward to Chipotle Mexican, buy and hold stock. We are very close to the bottom. Almost, if you look at the wave C, the price target has already achieved. So you will see the recovery on the Chipotle Mexican soon. What we are looking at, wave A, B, and C. These three steps were the part of the wave C, the 1, 2, 3 or ABC of the C right here. This, and this. We are at the bottom. Below these 2 points is all liquidity grab. Stock should have never gone below these 2 points. Okay. So right here, this was the price target right here. We wanted to buy around 48 area, and anything below this area, which is in this box, this is all manipulation and a liquidity grab. So the price will bounce back straight into right in this area around 58 to 60 area, and we'll close all the trade in the profit. So buy the share, short the put, whatever you want to do on Chipotle Max. You're going to hold for 58 to 60 area. Moving forward to coin, all our trade are in profit. We'll continue trading all the way to 415 area. So even if you close your trade on coin, restart the end of the trade right away. Bull put a spread on this one. short ATM put, buy OTM put, and continue trading all the way to $415. Okay, well, you can also do the leverage put on this one, so it's good. Moving forward to Circle. All right, this our trade is in profit, almost about $790 in profit. We'll continue holding this trade. We are looking this particular trade to go at least minimum $15,000 to $20,000 per contract. Until then, we are not closing. Okay, so a little bit of bounce in between, like retracement, we don't bother. We will hold our trade. Okay, we'll continue holding this one. Let the price go all the way to equal high right in this area, 262. Until then, we'll continue stay in this trade. There is a lot of upside. We don't want to, when we have a trade which is solid and going to make a lot of money, there is no need to close that trade for $500, $700 profit. So continue holding. Okay, moving forward to CoreView, very similar situation. What we are looking at, CoreView is kind of a bull flag here in formation. So we'll be watching this closely, right? This area. Okay, so this green pole and this is the flag, which have the third touch point, 1, 2, 3, highest point, lower high to the second lower high. Most likely you will see the sell-off right here one more time. Okay, the retracement, which will be the 50 EMA retrace again before the breakout. Once the breakout happen, again you will see the retest. Even if the breakout happen of this channel, you'll see the retest around 114 area. Once the retest and then the bull trend start, another, let's say here there is a spinning red candle at the bottom, and then you have a big momentum candle with the green, then the breakout will happen. Means breakout, retest, and then breakout. Okay, so right now we will continue trading in the same way as we are trading. Okay, we are shorting the put on this one, and if you buy the share, we make sure we sell in the money covered call on this one. Okay, a little bit of downside protection we need because of the market situation. GameStop is in wave 3 on a daily time frame. Okay, we'll continue holding our position. Okay, we'll continue selling the covered call. We are not shorting the put on this one. It's a buy the share, sell the covered call. Okay, moving forward to HIMS. What we are looking at, this is most likely the case of Fibonacci retracement, and we also have the fractal pointing out. This most likely you will see the lower high point right in this area. Okay, so basically whatever the run it needed to make from the 40.88 when we took the entry, it has already done, and there has to be a retracement on this one, at least to the 50 EMA retest, which is 49. So approximately 10% drop, and then we'll decide whether it will continue the bull run or not. So I'm looking for a little bit of retracement on this one, approximately 10%. Moving forward to Marvel. Okay, good stock. We have added last week the trade, and we'll continue trading. There is almost about 100% upside on this one. Once we break out this channel, this trend line, which is coming down from here. So point number 1, point number 2, point number 3, point number 4, multiple lower high point, multiple rejection in the trend line. So what we are doing, the first price target will be 73.35, which is our point of control line right in this area, and this fair value gap to be filled right here. Once the gap is filled, first we will close all our existing trade in this area right at 73.33, and then we'll wait for few dollar jump. If we break out and retest, then we are straight away going into $127, and we will start trading again. So first, all existing trade will be out at 73.35 with the profit. After that, we'll jump out and then break out and retest. After the retest, we'll start trading again and continue all the way to $127. Lucid, we have closed all the trade for the profit. Okay, stay away for a while, let it go through the retracement. Most likely you'll see the double bottom pattern. So this is leg 1 up, and you most likely another retest is going to happen, because that's what the MACD and RSI is pointing to. Okay, so if double bottom happens around 15 area, we are a buyer. Till then, we'll stay clear of this one. Lululemon, we have a position which is in loss a little bit, approximately $2, I think. Yeah, so we'll continue holding this trade, especially we don't have this in trading account. We only have in TFSA, IRA, 401k, and etc. Okay, long-term planning. So we'll buy, it's a buy and hold kind of stock. We are not shorting the put, we are not buying the call that which can lose the theta decay. It's a buy and hold the stock and let the price continue recovery towards a 260 area. Okay, so buy and hold approach on this one. MSTR is continuously rejecting the 318 and 329 area. Every time it drops, it bounces back, and that means there is a buying going on and the buyer are stepping in. Okay, we are good to hold all our long call, which is $550 and $600 call, which is the 18th of June. Good enough. We have enough time for recovery. There is nothing to panic on this one. Okay, If the market drop on the interest rate cut, right away you can short the put again for 250, 275 area for 30 days expiry, good premium to collect. So any dollar that we are down on the call, we can right away cover from the short put. Okay, so if the market tank on the interest rate, right away short the put on this one. NVDA, same approach. If the market tank, you short the put. If market goes up, you short the call on NVIDIA. Both sides, both sides, you should be ready on NVIDIA, because this stock is not going to break out in a short term. Like there is no breakout happening in 2 weeks. Okay, so if let's say tomorrow the market shoot up, let's say 5% up on NVIDIA, right away short the extra 10% OTM call, and it will go worthless. If the price drop 160 to 156 area, okay, right away short the 140 put and all this, and that will go worthless. Okay, moving forward to QBTS, quantum computer, D-Wave quantum. Okay, what we are looking at, we are looking for 1255. That's our entry. The stock is about to tank. We have the first lower high on a daily time frame. Stay clear of buying on this, right in this area. This will work as a lower high area. Okay, lower high, stock will tank. 1255 will be our buy, all in 1255. Till then, stay clear. No trade on this one. Moving forward to Rivian, we have the short put. We shorted the put on this week, right when the price dropped. We are in profit. We'll continue holding that. Okay, we shorted the put around right here, around 1310 or 1306, I think. So we are in profit. We'll continue holding the trade for $15 plus. Okay, and till then we'll only be trading short put, not buying the share on this one. SMCI, we have the share, we have the short put. We are good to hold. The stock is going over $80 plus. Okay, nothing to worry about. The more it drop, more put you short. Okay, collect the free money on the table. This was a good area that when we catch it at 39.84, any drop. Right now we are struggling to break the 50 EMA. Okay, almost at 50 EMA. If you look at 45.60 and the EMA is right at 55.40. So right now we are the stock is flirting with 50 EMA. Once the momentum candle comes, and if you look at the volume bar right here, there is no big green candle, but buying is going on. Okay, so if there is a next candle, which is today, because we are looking at a daily time frame, if there is a big volume comes right in this area, the price will cross through the 50 EMA and the more buyer will jump in tomorrow. Okay, because a lot of people, they will trade with 50 SMA and 200 SMA. Okay, so as soon as the price will cross 50 EMA right here, people will start jumping in for buying. So that's why just wait for the momentum candle and let it break out. Most likely you'll see the breakout because it's a trend from the downward, which is wave 1 going on. So breakthrough to the Fibonacci retracement, which is 50, then wave 2 and 3 will put it to $62. Okay, so what we are looking at, we are waiting for the momentum candle on the volume breakout. Something like this kind of candle we need, like this kind of candle or this kind of candle, big candle. We need a big candle to crossing through the 50. Moving forward to Tesla. Yesterday I closed all my TSLA position. I was holding almost about 25,000 share. I closed and booked a decent profit. Since then I'm out. I do not have any position on Tesla right now. I do not have any Tesla share or TSLL share. I'm only holding TSLL call spread for January 2026, which is spread. Okay, there is a decent profit to be made on this one. Both are in the money now, so they will both settle for solid profits. And any pullback, I'll keep doubling down my in the money call spread. I will not be buying Tesla until the price drop to 273, and I'm certain the price will come there. Okay, it's a high beta stock. When the price goes up, a lot of people get excited about Tesla. Oh, it's going to $500, going to $600. Back in April, I told you the price is 653, 513. Sorry, 653 was for other stock. 513 for Tesla. I'm expecting Tesla to close 513 by the year end, but not without the drop. Okay, there will be a sell-off. Short seller will take over the stock. They will tank it, hit the bottom, and then it will shoot up again. So there is we have around 4 months left. Okay, 3 months. Okay, so these 90 days will be very volatile. And next year, no matter what, 16 January, the first quarter, the Tesla will tank badly. I'm telling you now, for the first quarter of 2026, Tesla will go through a major correction. Even if it goes to 515 by the year end, next year you will see Tesla bleeding like hell in the first quarter after the fourth quarter delivery report. Okay, moving forward to wicks. So wicks is green, shooting up, and there is a more possibility of wicks going upward, and this will make the turbulence ahead. So tomorrow there is a lot of volatility. You will see the Uno card, mainly the price like spread candle. If I show you, like, let me show you somewhere. If I have a big spread candle, you'll see the market doing something like this kind of candle. So from here, which is 23, right in the same day 35. So that kind of wick candle you can expect. Big fluctuation. Eventually the market will stabilize. Okay, but right around 2 or 145, you will see a big up and down in the Uno card. So the market will go tank and then recover, and if it goes up, then it will tank sharply, and then eventually by the day close it will stabilize. Okay, and that's why it's important to stay on the ball. As soon as you see the market tank, short the put. As soon as you see the market gapping up, the wicks, the high spread candle, high volume spread candle, when the market has like suddenly $10 up, right away short the call, because the next candle will be red and the market will tank again. All right, NBIS, what is that? Which stock is that? NBIS. Nebius Group, yeah, I know this. NBS. We had a trade on this one, I think. All right, on a daily time frame, the price has gone from $18 all the way to ABC. Wave 1 has completed. All right, it's time to get out of NBIS. All trade should close right now. No exception. Exit all the trade and you'll be buying again at 61.38. So right now it's 91.25. Okay, exit all trade for profit. We traded NBIS a couple of weeks back. Okay, exit all trade right in this area. The bull run is over. Okay, and next entry will be around 61, right in this area below this point. So this gap has to fill this one right in this particular candle. Okay, and 61.31 coming from this particular candle right here, 61.38. So right here in this area. So 61.38, till then stay clear of NBIs unless the price drop into this area. And it is definitely coming. Don't think that, oh, it's very bullish, it's breaking out. It went from $18 to $100. And that was the problem. This is how you need to look at the market. Not, oh, it's very bullish, let's buy. This is not how you see the market. Oh, it was at $18, now at $100. Wow, we have found the holy grail of profit. No, that's how the market wants you to think. How you think, okay, the bull run is over, the price will tank, and then I will ride the next wave. Wave 2 will finish at 61.38, and the wave 3 will start right in this area, and then again it will go up. So stay clear of NBI. Says if now book the profit, exit all the trade. Okay, let me see if someone has another comment right here. IONQ, any time frame? Yes, 90 days. IONQ. Stay clear of IONQ. IONQ. Exit all the trade, book the profit. The bull run is over right in this area 59, where you'll be looking at approximately about 33% drop in this stock, and we are looking to buy around 39.50 area. So right in this area, just below the point of control line. Okay, right in this area. This is where the price is dropping. So game over for IONQ right in this area. This is where the price is coming. Okay, right. This bull run will lose everything. This is a pump and there will be a dump. Okay, so exit all the trade and wait for 39.57. The time frame for the IONQ to pull back is 90 days starting today. All right, let's say if he saw, all right, any other request? All right, that's fine, everything. Okay, that's all good. Let's move to the crypto today. Yesterday on the stock tweet and the Discord, I alerted the Bitcoin is a fake sell-off, and that's what exactly we were looking at, right? This sell-off, when it was going on, we knew it is a fake sell-off. Okay, right here on the 4-hour time frame, I'll show you. Right, this one. Okay, this sell-off, which was starting from 117,000, our price target was hit, and then it was selling off. This was the fake, and now we are into wave 5. Okay, Chris, if you go to StockPivot, you'll find the link, or you go to our website, stockpivot.com, and click on the join button. You'll find the link. All right. So before Yeah, that's fine. All right. So moving forward, what we are looking at, this drop yesterday, which was happening, and I clearly mentioned that this sell-off is fake, and that's what exactly happened. Why there was a sell-off? Because this was wave 4. If you look at the wave 2, right in this area, this was not a big sell-off. It was a kind of a sideline market within the spread candle. Okay, so when you see the sideline market and then the wave 3 starting on a smaller time frame, and again the market is sideline, means that's a wave 4, which is perfect match, means wave 5. So wave 5, the price will be going even higher. Okay, so what we are looking at, let me show you more clear right in this area. I'll clear all my drawing. So now what are you looking at? You see the golden cross on the MACD, the first green candle, the volume is positive now. On the top, we have a low volume rally, and that's what the perfectly we need. We never want a rally with a high volume. High volume rally always fail. That's generally the pump and dump. Okay. So when you have a low volume rally, the price will gradually increase, and that's what the best part. So price will keep increasing. We are maintaining the 50 EMA all the way. Rejection here, price shoot up. Another retest of 50 EMA, another going upward. So we are in a right direction. What we are looking at, when you see this kind of pattern forming, wave 5 rounding, which is bending market. If you look at right in this area, let me show you. So right here, I'll take the wave just to show you the channel. So from here, you see the bending market right in this area, like this, like this, like this, and like this. This is where it will end, the equal high. And that's where the price is. This is where the market is heading, 123,000. After that, it may sell off again. Okay. But from here, we are going into 123,000. We are bullish in the market right now, and market will continue upwards. Moving forward to ADA, yesterday we alerted buy Cardona. A lot of people took the entry right at this candle, 0.86, just about 1 cent up, but we have started the channel. If you look at here, MACD bullish, volume is bullish, the market will trying to shoot up. The minimum one is 91.56 and the 96, so we are bullish. We'll book the profit right in this area, equal high. Same thing goes to Algorand. Yesterday I alerted buy Algorand right in this area. So whenever the market sell off, when you have this kind of sell off, okay, and you see the spread candle at a particular area, why does this the market took a turn here? Let's look at. Okay, so this was the spread candle. This is the candle we were interested in. Okay, the closing of this candle was right here. Okay, and then you have another spread candle right here. This bottom of this spread candle right here. If this spread candle, and this was our selling climax, we got the first point right here. Okay, anything below 0.2358 is a good buy. Only hint here. So there is nothing other than this one on this candle we are looking at. 0.2356 and below is a good buy. So that's it. That's the only reference we are getting from this candle. Now we go back to this particular candle and this spread candle. Whenever you have same candle, spread candle in a same location, but the second candle is lower than the previous one. So you look at this candle and this one is lower one. This is called pseudo dominance, means fake dominance, means this is the last candle on the chart and the market will reverse. And that's how we knew it. This particular candle is the last candle of the trend and it will bounce. So right from this candle. Chart has a lot of different languages. When you start reading it, you will learn it, that what chart is trying to tell you. Okay. If every time you have an equal low, same candle, but the current candle is lower than the previous one, it means this become the dominance candle and the price will reverse. That's how I knew it, that this candle is the last candle of the trend and these wicks are the last one and the price will trend. Okay, so 23.79. Everybody, those who bought it yesterday, 2.3 price, we are in profit. We'll continue holding our trade all the way to. If you want to hold along, go hold 4.55. There is a lot of upside on Algorand. I can tell you, Algorand and Cardona will make more money than the trading Bitcoin. People don't understand. Let's look at the market cap. To Bitcoin to go to 1x means 2x. Well, let's say to double from here. We need $2.6 trillion new investment into Bitcoin. But in Algorand to go to double, we just need 2 billion. So understand where the money will flow. Altcoin will make more money in 25, 26. Bitcoin will not make more money. Bitcoin is more stable and Bitcoin has reached to that level, that you can park your money and then leave it eventually to grow. Okay. But Bitcoin is not going 3x now. It's enough. It's like too much money. Look at the 3x of Bitcoin. We need approximately $6 trillion to flow in the Bitcoin. No matter how much institution is buying, they're buying for like for 200 million, 500 million, 300 million. We need 6 trillion for Bitcoin to go to 350,000. People don't understand this concept. They just look at, oh, it came from 60,000, it came to 120,000. Now it will go to $200,000. Just go for the market cap and look at how much money we need to go in the Bitcoin to reach that level. And then you understand that, oh, it will take time. Okay. Here we go. We have 5 minutes. I'll try to cover whichever possible. Okay. On a daily time frame, time to exit. Here we go. We are done with the trend. This is where you exit the trade. There is no point of holding anything or buying anything. Okay. The stock was trading right here at 138 on 7 April 2025. So from 138, the price has gone to 367. It should be a crime to looking at the AVGO chart at this point. So do not even look at this one. If you are looking at AVGO, that's it. You are committing a crime if you're looking at this chart. It's over. It's done. You don't want to trade this. This should be off your watch list now. Okay. So leave it aside unless it dropped to 193 or 200 area. Till then, stay clear of AVGO. Moving forward to MP. Never ever trade any stock which has gone 150 to 200%. It's over. There are enough train at the station to take you to your destination. If one train is gone, another one will come, another one will come, another one will come. Okay. So don't try to chase that. It's enough. MP. All right. MP material right here. What we are looking at, I would say, if you're holding, book the profit at this point. Okay, there is a little bit of an upside. Most likely you'll see the double top right in this area. Okay, so this is a perfect setup for the double top. So this from right here, this is your left leg of the double top. Then you have the bounce, and then you have another double top right here. This wick I'm interested in right in this area. Sell side, the institution has sold 44.38 million share, which is huge in quantity. So again, they will bring the price right in this area and sell off. So 80 to 50, you should be out and you should not be looking at. Most likely, you should ignore this stock at this point. It's not worth it. And even if you are buying this one, make sure you trade with covered call or in the money covered call or married put, whatever the strategy you follow. Married put will be much better than in this one instead of covered call, because covered call will only protect you for a small penny. So go for married put, and I will not suggest taking a new trade right in this area. It's over. You wait for the retracement. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see the Discord member in the Discord. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.